Hopefully it will come back. Let's see if this still works or if it's super laggy as before. I haven't been trying this setup on stream, so it might be just the stream being annoying. But the thing I was trying to yeah, it works on YouTube again. Cool. The thing that I wanted to avoid is like when I'm working on this and I have a video going, or even more usual, like when I'm playing a game and I'm watching a video, the video is super laggy. Audio is probably okay usually, but the video isn't. Let's just see if this runs any better with these settings. So that feels good. And here. No, yes. Okay. Now if I'm like, yeah, that's so much better. Cool. I can live with that. Did the audio levels off? Yes. How are these? When I'm doing stream, the Spotify and my voice, it's okay. Why did David Hasselhoff start going by just the Hoff? It was 100% less hassle. Yeah, that's fun. Cool. Yeah, I think I've been toying around with some stuff in terms of how the game is played. So mainly the big thing you'll see is that you don't have a weapon to shoot with by default. Oh, I actually want the player scene in a second here. Let's find that rogue. Come on. Here's the rogue pillar we toyed around with. It's supposed to be... Ah, there it is. Yeah, I think the slide is a little bit slow at this point. I've been trying to reduce some speeds, but the main thing... The main thing is you can slide through enemies to kill them. And then you pick up a gun, and that gun has like 6 shots, like this guy. Bot is delayed, yeah. And the shotgun has a lot of spread. Which means... Oh, now I have 1 grenade, and that doesn't quite work because I gotta kill these guys now, and I don't have anything to shoot them with. I like the spheres here, especially as the level is called orbs. They look pretty cool in the upside down as well. Maybe I'll make them move or something. But yeah, so the gameplay is like this more now, where you kind of have to... be mindful of your ammo and which weapon you have. So for example, crowd plays like this now. Oh, it's a little bit broken because I've removed some stuff that wasn't used. Let's see if I can remember. Oh, the fast one goes and turn around. Nope, get that guy. Get that guy. Yeah, the vision isn't that good. Now I pick up the... What is the... More likely the machine gun. And then I gotta like get this, throw it over there, get back over here, throw another grenade, pick up another grenade, throw that, and then get out. You laughed way too hard at that. I think it was pretty good too, Balrog. I'll give you that. Oh wait, I think I messed up. Need another grenade. Actually, oh, the fast version of it now is to slide through some of these. I don't know if you still hear Defenestrator as the premier, like, record holder at the time being. How you would feel about these things. I want to do this and probably even go through those, but I missed one. Okay, so that's the thing. Another thing since last playtest is that I removed a bunch of buttons. So F is still flip, but there's no shift. Shift doesn't like slide or do anything. It's just right click now. That's the button to slide. And yeah, level like I'm gonna adjust the slide speed a little bit because it's some amount of too slow. Maybe we can play like peaks, which I think is pretty fun. Gotta fix the grass though. Here, I gotta adjust the. You can slide through. Ah, damn it! The slide speed is so much slower than it used to be, so plays a little bit differently. Right, I gotta somehow get ammo. Is there one more wave of this? No, it's not. Is it hidden here? Is the rail? Ah, damn. Died. I think the most important part here is trying to, because I'm gonna go on a vacation for July, and I would like to have another playtest before that. If I scope correctly, maybe I could, but it's gonna be like a few days of crunchy level making and maybe some graphics adjustments and stuff. So I think making a plan is the first step. Wise man would do that off stream maybe, but yeah. So I've started redoing this level, so you can see the graphics is a bit different to the other ones. I think it looks pretty good. The thing that I'm missing with this graphics rehaul or overhaul is mainly that it doesn't look as horror-y anymore. It looks kind of vanilla fantasy. It's like a Quake level from someone who's not in software, like from ages ago. We are about men. Rock, I guess, is the follow-up to that, and then a guitar solo. So I don't know how much I should work on stuff like the graphics at this point. Probably should focus more on actual like good old level design. Come up with all the levels. Wait, didn't I remove the pillar? Did I remove the wrong pillar? Or maybe it's just that I haven't restarted. It probably is. So things that I could do to make this look horror-ier would be to add like spikes to shit. We should probably, like, there's no foliage growing on stuff. That always looks like a little bit grittier. We could add more like ground scattering of like maybe little blocks that stand out. Like in the original version of this, there was like a bunch of cubes just hanging around in certain places, and that might help to kind of gritty things up. Oh, sorry. Let's take another level, like shields, for example. The grass cards kind of give it away. But somehow there is something about this that looks grittier than the new level look. Also my sliding skills. For fortress. We need to fix the material there. Did I actually just delete it in a bad way? Like ground exists. Grass cards exist, but the texture is off. Look at that. Looks alright here. In the preview. Let's do high quality, lossless, and no mip maps. I think I want mip maps on those, but yeah, we'll see. There we go. Oh, I think I messed up some of the color settings too. Now this doesn't look very horror-y either. This level has the problem of there's no guns placed in it yet, but you can sort of actually play it without guns, which is... Ah, see? Here's a stair stop that we could have adjusted if this was made in a different way. Okay, now maybe shields. Yeah, shields look a little bit better. Made another change too, where you before you would fall off edges because I used a capsule. So when you stood on an edge slightly outside of it, you would slide off, which is annoying. And I made it so instead we're using a actual cylinder with a flat bottom. But I think maybe the cylinder could be bigger, even bigger than it is. So this is the collision shape. I thought I actually changed this. Radius should be like 1 here. Now we can stand outside of these and we'll have fewer of those, like you stand on the edge and then you just miss. So a good example of this would be on peaks, where you would go through these, and then when you go and try to ground slam there, you would often miss. Now you don't. Unfortunately, I'm the worst. There we go. All right. Maybe the size is a little bit big in terms of maybe radius 0.65 or something would be a better. Let's try it out. Because it does also make you hit your head on things. But yeah, that's better too because it's less like you get not as close to things. And then also, do these work properly? Yes. Yeah. So the different options for things we should start with would be to think about the different levels. Maybe we should do some more styling of this guy. I think it looks good enough, like in terms of like the graphics. Also, it does look pretty good. Like this is a fun side note, and I'm procrastinating now, or just delaying starting doing shit. But I think it looks pretty cool, even if you disable the quantization now. It's not quite balanced, but it does sort of work. But yeah, I still think the quantization or the color effects are obviously looking better than before. I didn't even kill it. Forget the path. Yeah, that's not good. But anyway, I would love to work on just scattering some foliage on these things to break things up. Maybe placing stuff like little hanging stuff on the little arches. Maybe adding little things. I think one of the main problems I'm having with this is that I don't know why these, like, it's not a natural or it's not a reasonable thing. I can't like say, oh, this was used to cook something. It's just like weird stone temple things on oceans that are also supposed to be working in both up and down directions, and that's kind of tripping me up in some ways. But the problem I'm having is partly just not knowing what the story or like setting of the game actually is. I know I want it to be grittier than this, But yeah. So if I were to scope out something that I can finish until like Friday, what would that look like? What would be the most important parts? I was hoping to do like more levels than I had before, but I've lost several days to midsummer, and yesterday I was in Trollhättan. For some reason we choose that as a destination to go with my kid. It was my kid's birthday, and we usually do some kind of trip. So I didn't do any work there, and I'm just feeling like maybe I'm pushing this too much, sort of. Maybe what I should be doing is taking a step back and not doing this. I guess. Working on the story and figuring stuff out, and not be so set on having a build by Friday. But I also need deadlines, so I'm kind of torn. Wow. Zoom me out. Yeah, it really is one of those things where I don't know exactly what the best way forward is. Sometimes it's okay to not push yourself too hard. Yeah, I feel like I have been quite should I call it, like, I've been stressing too much about how fast I make things, and I've been thinking that is like one of my one of the things that I'm good at, like making things a little bit faster, and that was how I justified certain decisions. Sometimes giving something a little bit more time to cook, as the kids say, is not a bad idea. And I'm getting a little bit sick of like this. I still don't want to spend too much time working on stuff. So a little bit of a bug we could fix. Write it down. But anyway, maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't stress it. Give it the time it needs. A bit more, at least. Yeah. So levels. It's probably better to focus on like the layout of levels at this point and try to find whether or not this weapon pickup thing is an improvement. I think it is. Oh wait, the windows aren't open. 1 second. There we go, some air. Okay, so what if we reframe the goal? Small internal play test communicated with. This is like one idea. Instead of having like the big, I don't think this is gonna happen. Big external play test announced on Twitter and what's not. People already having keys. Some people like key players get to join in. And we make just 3 good levels. Focus on the new weapon system thingy. And we do it like only on like a beta branch. Done Friday. That is one option. That might be so. Like we invite all of you on stream, of course, but just put it out in Discord. No new key drop. Something like that. Hey, again, done Friday. I mean, just a smaller version of the playtest. I want to do something before I go on vacation. Maybe I could do it even faster. Like I could make a beta branch of this right now. Nice clouds Photoshop. No, it's actually, I think it's some sky I got on Polyhaven, maybe? What's your MacBook? Is it an M1 or later? You can always do like yeah, also we don't have Mac builds. So I guess that's probably an issue. Yeah. Oh, it's in one of those. I don't know. Cool, then it's not an M series either. It's a little bit of a bug here. We can just to get something started here. We also have a land on head flip feature. Something we can do. But yeah, I think this is what's gonna. This is probably not it. If I'm like strike through. We're not gonna be able to do this. I'd rather do a smaller one, and we'll release it as soon as possible. Like maybe even like an in progress version on a beta branch on Steam. I'll tell people on Discord that you can go in and test it, and then we'll have to do the bigger external playtest later. But we just need some kind of accountability to and a goal to work towards. That's how I feel about it. One idea could be to just have a little bit of fun too. Because this is working. We could start designing weapons. I really miss the weapon models. On when you pick up the shotgun, for example, you don't see the weapon anywhere. You could work on stuff like that. Just make 3 good levels. This one could be longer. Just do this for now. It's a little bit laggy on my machine when streaming. I want this to be like twice as long or something along those lines. Yeah, about twice as long is what I want. We can make the level bigger, I guess. Add more weapons. But I would want to stay away from stuff like... the old orbs was like 3 point something seconds, right? That's the record. I want you to stay on the level a lot more. Jump up and down less. Had a couple of stuff like that that I wanted to do. So go here. Let's start here. Let's just get some code started. Maybe we can feel better about things. So the player will flip when you push a button. But also, if you're hitting your head and you're like in the wrong direction, I think we can trigger that as well, so you get to the right orientation automatically. I want it to be a setting, so let's start by putting it into settings. Call it. Do we have a game? We don't even have a gameplay. Let's do that. Add it down here, like gameplay, and export var auto or head bump flip is true. Let's put in bool there just for the consistency, and then allowed headers. This one could live somewhere else. Gameplay. Oh, that's not how you spell gameplay. Gameplay. Cool. And then player. This should be pretty simple. I don't know if we hit our head, because the player is a rigid. No, it's actually. What type is it? It's a character body. I think we can like is touching head or something like that. Let's see what happens in process or something. is on ceiling. Print ceiling. Do this. So if I'm here and I turn around, from what I can tell, it doesn't work. Damn it. Is it because something else hits? What about this? This is a hitbox, it shouldn't trigger that. This is the shape. I have a vague recollection that there's some sort of a function you can use to query all the current collisions. I don't really need it to be continuous like this either. Is on floor must work, right? Ceiling, it says here. Yeah, ceiling triggers like that. Cool. But is on ceiling did not work from what I could tell. Oh. Whoops. So if I turn around like this, it doesn't trigger. Does it trigger if I'm doing it here? No. So is on ceiling just doesn't seem to be a thing. Here I think we have like a bit of a okay, so we couldn't use that. Let's do this instead. So what is actually turning around when I'm turning around? This is where Unity would have been fun. We can look at... Now we should be turned upside down. I don't remember what it is that turns upside down, but we'll figure it out. Go to the remote view of this. Go to the root, to the world, to the player. Check the player first. Do we turn the entire player upside down? It seems like it. No, it doesn't. That's the Y. That's this. We're just like suspiciously close to 180. So the whole player is not turning. Which makes me think maybe it's this. Z180. Here we go. So that's when I'm doing that. Okay, so virtual camera is what turns around. Which means that if we put two colliders or areas inside of the player that are like at the top and the bottom, we can just query those and use that to figure out if we are on the ceiling or the floor. We'll do something like enter. Figure it out. Add child, collision shape. What should we have? Like little cubes or spheres? Spheres maybe. Let's put this somewhere nice. What's the size of this guy? 0.5, 0. too. I'm almost thinking maybe a box would be better because we can flatten it quite severely. Hard to tell with this background. This one too. Sure. Let's do 0.125. Let's just when we are actually hitting the ground or something. Maybe 2.5 just to have a little bit more margin. This will be top area 3D, and then we'll have a duplicate. It's gonna be that bottom area 3D. That looks right. We remove that and that, but it masks this monitoring, and it should hit. Isn't it in here so you can tell it to not hit? Doesn't really matter. We will only hit the world, which is not bad. Let's do that. And then whenever any of these get triggered, we'll run some function on player, I guess. Let us add these. Let's make it auto flip, a new script. Should be better. We could actually attach them to each of those instead. That should work. Also, bottom area needs to move, I realize now. Or oh, I moved this. Shouldn't do that. Not that it matters, but it will help me later. It's 1, and that's -1. What are all those detectors? Ah, that's the slide damage, probably. No, that's much bigger. Attractor, okay. Anyway, entities, player, let's add a new script. Actually, let's add it in here instead. Player, ground, touch, flip, GD. Should be node. Extends area 3D. And then we'd do like ready. Is it collision or no? It's body entered. Then we just do something like print test name. Let's add these two here. Can you add a script to 2 things at the same time? Nope. Oh. No, what? Look, what happened there? Frickin' thing. Do not like it. Hello, Knife. What's up? So, from what I can tell, it doesn't work. Quite know why. You can be over here and hidden. Hmm. Okay, well, we'll never know. Too many things. Ground, touch, flip. On body entered. Should work. The scripts are here. Yeah, I don't know. Why wouldn't that work? Is it because I'm misunderstanding what collision means? Is it because they are not in a position? Is it? No. It looks like they're correctly like positioned. They're not disabled. These are on. Kid woke up with a cold, remoting, which means should be standard for all workloads able to be fulfilled in such a manner. All right. I don't understand. Does this actually happen? I think that happened, right? Happened twice. But body enter doesn't seem to work. An area entered shouldn't be the thing, right? The heck? This was like, oh, let's get some momentum going here. This should be really easy to make. Like, what the? Why is everything hard today? Should absolutely work. Yo, Tom, what's up? How you doing? I'm about to give up on game dev. Six five. So I think it should be body, like, am I misunderstanding something about how these work? No, I think I was correct in before where I set mask to 1. That should be the world enters these areas. But why doesn't it? It should trigger when I do this. Why? It's got monitoring monitor rule. And that's also true, I hope, on the remote. I don't know. I have no idea why this wouldn't work. And just to make sure, this thing is on layer 1. And it's got like hidden children, but we can see, so block 2 is here. Oh, interesting. It doesn't show the children, which is interesting. We can't see the actual colliders to this. Wonder if that's a problem. The owner thing should only be an editor thing, so I don't expect it to. But you can't. I don't know, man. What the heck? Should this be so hard? There are some errors. Maybe it stops some point where... Owner is not set on these. I think this is just from when I'm resetting, so we can like maybe player.grounding.remove. But only if they have them. So I wonder if I can like... How does this one work? Callable? I think you actually have to do this test. Though I don't think this is the reason why things don't trigger. You're okay, plugging away again, trying to get more visibility, got some more meetings. Cool. I guess we have fewer errors, which is nice. But we still don't get the frickin'... We should be getting a trigger when this happens. Pretty sure it should be body. What's going on here? Why? Also group touch flip. That's not right. It should be ground touch flip. I think it understands the shit. No, wrong one. Okay, we got them. They're not disabled. Why wouldn't it work? I want to try a certain thing. Let's add... let's... don't be running. CSG box. Oh, maybe it doesn't hit... Well, we'll see. Boop, boop. Boop. And then these have use collision. And if I play now, I should be able to stand on this. This is added inside of the level. Maybe that's the reason. But it doesn't trigger on those either. So is it that it's a CSG thing? But the others aren't really CSG things either. They're just box colliders. Make it like 10 by 10. And then I guess this has to be 10 by 10 too. Here we go. Here's our regular old box. Did I say hi, Spruce? I don't remember. How you doing? So we can land on it, we collide with it, and even like you can tell that my player thing does interact with it because you can jump after. Like, why wouldn't my why wouldn't this work? Okay, hi, welcome. Hope the strawberries are all right. So this part happens, so I know that, and it should be connecting these. But we never get the result here. I'm gonna do a dumb thing and say like node dot body entered and connect it to ourselves, and then just print something else. See if that makes a difference. This is the top one though, so we need to be hitting something like this. Huh. Still doesn't work. Do I have weird scaling? Scaling is alright. Positioning is alright. It's not hidden. Collision shape. It's not disabled. It's not weirdly scaled. Jolt. Areas detect static bodies. That's off. That's why this doesn't work. So I assume this is off because it's slower. But I don't think we have a huge issue. Okay, now it actually works. Holy. Forgot about that setting. Yeah, disconnect that. Cannot disconnect. Okay, so now we have this. We know it's happening, and now we can figure out if we need to flip. So let's print the up vector of the player, which means we need a reference to the player. That works, right? Player and player. Player dot up direction. Now up is that. Up is still okay, cool. Up is up, and if I do this, and we do up, up is now down. Cool. Hello, Bruce. What's up? I'm struggling. So I was thinking, ow, I need to make new or buy new armrests for my chair. I'm cutting into my elbows. So let's just assume we also always want to flip as soon as this happens. Or I guess we can do like if player global position dot y is larger than 0, and player and we hit like the top one. Oh Lord, brain. But there should be an and in here. So if we are on the wrong, if we're hitting our head, I it doesn't really matter if we hit our head or our feet. But we want to flip. So player.fps camera.doFlip, I think. I think this one takes like a direction. So let's just simulate one of them. If it's less than 0, we are below the ground. Hello, Munglo. So as soon as I do this now, it will flip, but it shouldn't if it's not the right direction. So what is that sound? The annoying sound. Yeah, 1 second, Bruce. I'll show it off. Up direction. Y is larger than 1. Then we flip. Like flip if we're the wrong direction. If I do this and then just hit my head here. That did not work. Parser bug. This should detect so if it is aligned with this, the up, it should be, or like should flip, is if this is less than 0. Yeah, sure, less than 0. But you're angry still. How can it not have a set type when it's a bool? Try again. Whoa. Parser bug mix match. So it's one of those. Yeah. How about now then? There we go. Okay, so now it's the opposite of what we want, I think. Yeah. Cool. That is a good start. That's a quick fix. Wait, I think that's more intuitive to do that. Sort of what the up vector should be. Mismatched external parser. Okay. Okay, so we can do this, and then if I'm like going down here and I'm landing like that, it flips me. This will take me back. What if I hit my head on something? There was some weirdness going on there. Oh, that sound. So the question is, should we also flip when we are on the wrong side automatically? So you can just like jump in and then it automatically flips. It's super annoying if you're doing this, but I don't think you should be doing that too much. Here I think I can try hitting my head, and that seems to be working. So if I'm... Yeah, maybe we should just put that in. If you're... Oh, we can do like and settings dot flip head bump flip, or like oh, Julian Assange is free. Isn't there some controversy around him? I haven't followed. It's almost as if these could be actions, or like player yeah, let's put in like auto flip here. Auto flip GD. It should extend player action. No, player component. And in process, we will do something like this. If should flip player FPS camera do flip. This, I think. And then we add it. Now we jump into here and whoa! That no works. Oh, we should have a delay here, so we can't flip if we are currently flipping. Try again. Up in the water. It automatically flips. Whoa! That's dizzying. Did feel pretty alright when I was like... This is wrong. Why are you there? Do that in VR. Yeah, that wouldn't be great. If we want this to actually work, I think we also need to do it that check in here. And not cameras flipping. good start, but yeah. Oh, thank you, Manglo. But I wonder if there should be like a little, either a delay, like after we have flipped, there is a cooldown so that you can't flip. It doesn't auto flip until after a delay. Or we do like, don't flip until after a second of being in the wrong dimension. This is oh, item, no, absolutely not. Okay, so I don't think we're gonna do auto flipping. It feels like it's really hard to get right. Could you do a head direction cost, and if ground is within X and you are the wrong way, force a flip. Forcing a flip before landing. Yeah. I think this is really hard to get right. The simple solution is doing this and just like if I'm doing this, it auto flip. Wait, if I hit it, it should auto flip. Oh, there's it. Doing this, it flips. It's more of a, oh, you didn't do the thing rather than, but why is there still a, see that? I can't dash through them anymore. Did I somehow turn off the touch damage source? Ah. Might have lost some reference there. Doing that. What's the size of the... That is nice and big and not disabled. Okay. Yeah, I'm not killing that when I'm dashing through it anymore. It's gonna be one of those days, it seems. What are we, like 2 hours in or so? And just trash. Everything breaks. Is this because we flipped that switch in the settings? Is it this that just killed that, or something else? Doesn't work anymore. It's got the touch damage script. It's got a source set up. It's got some damage. Monitoring is on. It's supposed to only hit enemies. It's not that, so we can turn that back on. It's not disabled, I assume. Oh, what it could be is that duck. No, it still has the touch damage. This error is scaring me a bit, so let's restart, I assume. Yeah, it simply doesn't work. Or is it? It does look a little bit like it's actually getting... Is it getting hurt a little bit? Its damage got reset when I like removed it and undid. See, damage is 10. It should be like a lot more. That's it. It's another way of playing that level, I guess. Damn it. Nope. Okay. So I think what I would like for this level is some sort of, instead of going over there, some sort of flipping around and killing something on this side. As like the intended route at least. So next one could be on this side instead. But it's kind of a, I don't know, a little bit, you know, go here, kill that, and then you jump here, and then you gotta like do that maybe. And then you go in and kill something there. Should be pretty easy to set up. The game has FOV options already. You can go from like if I'm doing something a little bit more reasonable, this is quite a bit of FOV, like 85. I think this is this feels like a lot more. I'm not sure why, but it does. So, but you can go like crazy with the FOV if you want to. Some people do. I like it lower. So, thanks. What would feel good? Like, go here, shoot this, and like doing a thing like that, maybe? Like getting the first one, killing this, killing something on the other side. And then maybe it's on this side again. And then it's on this side, like something like that. But then I think I need a little bit more. Maybe that. Maybe just like one. Instead of the one over there, we put one here on that little thing there. Yeah. Let's try it out. Fortunately, I have to like quit the game every time I change these spawn things. That's okay. Wave 1. 1, 2, this one stays, but this one goes away. And then we create another wave. That's like wave 1, but flipped. So we just do that. Could make a tool to flip these. I'll just do negative and rotate around X 180 for these. That should work. Why are these look strange? Now it's like kill this, pick up the shotgun if I'm not blowing. And then we get like one there. One there. I think I should move it over here. And then the next one should be going over here, killing that thing. So we need another wave in between here. We can have 2, I guess, but this should be on the top side, right? Get rid of this. Make sure this is 0, and then we do like not that 0, and then we put one somewhere in here, and then one over to the side here. Boop. I think if I save this now, and then I go out, and then I go in, I think it updates, but I'm not 100% sure. Slide through, shoot that, flip around, shoot that, slide through here, and it didn't spawn the thing over there that I thought, so it probably didn't work. Because these are on the other side. Oh, maybe I meant to make... This is what I wanted. That there, and then in the wave after that we have 2 over there. Maybe I have to load another level in between or something. Alright, now it's different. So we go there, shoot, kill that. Slide through here, flip around, slide, kill. It doesn't, there's like too many 180s. It doesn't feel good. I wonder if there's a platform over here for some reason. Maybe. So I guess you slide over, pick this up, take that, and then I want to go back. And maybe you go here, and then there's some platforms. Maybe I can reuse these guys. Like, have them as platforms to get up to this. Make sort of an arc. And then one of the waves is has on these. Let's see here. Then I want to flip, I think. And then I want you to flip to the other side. And that's not wave 5. Wave 5 is... No, that works. Yeah, maybe like this. This is the second wave and it's got everything on this side. I would probably want this to be on the other side, right? Or maybe there's a one on the next side in between. We also want to make a tool that positions these on the ground height that they should have, because now they're going to be inconsistent. But in between here, I think I want a wave where you shoot like just one on maybe that side. Yo, Grumble! Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How's your stream? Because I feel like we're not flipping enough. I wanted maybe to have something here and then flip back, grab that thing, shoot this, and then... That's annoying. Shoot. Oh, I can shoot both. See, I'm already like flipping when I don't want to. Oh no, we get some kind of weird follow spam. What's going on? What's going on? Hello? Age is clearly a word. That's fun. Yeah, this doesn't look good. Check this out. What's going on? Yeah, can I do something about this? Is this bad? Turn off notifications. God damn it. It's like one of these days. Probably shouldn't even be. Where? I don't even know where that is. Is that? Oh, I think it stopped. The Twitch setting where you can not allow follows if the account is not a week old. Probably should turn that on. Well, is this still like going? I can turn that off. Okay, we're having a weird day here on stream. Can I kill all these by just shooting them? What do you want to help with the thing? How can I? How can I? I don't know how to do. Give him the password. Oh man, I was thinking to how can I mod someone on in the chat here? Can I not do that on? Slash mod Mr. Balrog. The last time you ever see me, I guess. Oh, quiet. Anyway, we're making Ocean Mirror, and we're trying to figure out how to make levels in this new paradigm. See? I don't want to auto flip. Okay. Going through here. So there's certain things that work better on stream. Like just making shit when you know what you want to do, that works really well on stream. I feel like I can perform. But when I'm trying to figure things out, or if I'm like stumbling a little bit around stuff that I do, I probably should do that off stream. So maybe what I want to do today is maybe just not stream and try to figure out exactly how to do this. A slow mode? Is that good? Tell me about your game, Quiet. Oh, okay. Cool. I don't know what shield mode is. Thank you for helping out, by the way. Here's what I'm thinking. We have like a pickup plate and we got this guy. What if we put it here? And put on another gun. It's like more long range. I think it's on this side. I think it's on this side, or this is why you flip to the other side so you can pick that up. Yeah, let's add. Let's add a little wave in between here where these are flipped. And I'm desperately wanting a tool to be able to flip enemies to be on the other side. The easiest way to do it would be to put it on the enemy script and have like a little flip toggle. Yeah, that would be the easiest way to do it. So let's just go to well, then enemies have to be tool scripts. Do I want that? Is there a problem with this? Because, yeah, I don't want them to be tool scripts because then they will be updating and stuff. Maybe... We have this thing that adds this thing. Let's add another little thing on top of it. That would be the... quantization or whatever it's called. It's called the compositor preview. Somewhere in here I think I create like a little button or something. Here. Just add a little button. Flip button. Flip button dot text goes flip. And then yeah, sure. But I want it to be like this. Yes. Then we need to add it to something like this. Is there any other? No. See if it, yeah, it can do this. But we want to do this on like all the selected objects. And I think you can get it from like editor interface. Selection, get selection. That should be a editor selection. Get selected nodes. Yeah, we can do like for each var. No, for node in this, and then we do node 3D equals node as node 3D. Is anyone? Oh, you're banning a bunch of things. New Doom has a shield. Your antagonist is a cult leader who hates gods for causing confusion in the world, and then one day he ends himself with a ritual to visit hell and starts killing everything in sight. Fight gods as boss fight. Cool. If you want to drop a link to that, quiet, do it. Do you think VS Code is a better for GDScript instead of built-in text editor? Slightly, but it also has some problems. Rotate around X 180 degrees, and we want to set a global position Y to be inverted. I think this should work. The only thing I'm a little bit worried about is that maybe this will not be undoable. Because I think this doesn't do that. Var global transform before is no 3D global transform, and then var global transform after equals this. These transforms are structs, I think, right? Let's hope they are. Basis equals rotated like that, I think, and then we can do like undo, redo. Is that on editor interface? This one. How do I use this? These are not static functions, so how can we get the one? Editor plugin, get, undo, redo. This is editor plugin, so just get, undo, redo. And then we create an action that's called flip, and then we add to this action all of these. Yes, and then we do the undo property, set it to whatever it was before, and then I think undo, redo, commit action is the right move. Yes, save this, reload this plugin, and we got a flip function here. So press flip, and it did nothing. Get selection on a null value. Editor interface is not set up. can I not just do get selection? Okay, let's try again. Oh, we forgot to remove the button. Damn it. We got a little bit of a double thing going on here. So here's our new thing. When we flip it, boop, it flips to the other side. It is upside down, and I can undo. Nice. It works. So it's just that we might want to well, we gotta restart the entire thing, I guess, to get rid of that button. Whoa. Oh, you don't have a Steam page yet. Okay, cool. Good luck. I'm scrolling through through things here. I might miss something. Banning. Found that you can enable force static typing in Godot. Yeah, I like that too. I don't think I have it on at the moment. Yep. Follow botted. What's the end goal there? Okay, yeah, thank you so much, Balrog. Cool, now I got the flip button. I assume there's a cool icon for this. But I don't know. Retry maybe. There is a list of these somewhere. I think you can search for this in the source code of Godot, and you can find a cool button for it. Try to find it. No. It should be in here somewhere. Here, I think. Anything that says flip or reflect or... I mean, there's a GUI V splitter. I don't think that exists. Reload now, it should be... Ooh, that's not right. Maybe I shouldn't be... like V-box container, maybe? Come on. No. Is there anything? Maybe I can find it if I look here. I know there's one that I want. I think I know it. There's one that I want. Separator. Age separator is good. That's not the one that I did have, right? .3D. That's good. Good enough. And then we don't need... Follow but swarm. Thank you. Is this just gonna stick around? This is this gonna be there now? No, I'm still getting... I'm getting some new followers, but you can't see them because you can only see these fake ones. Hello, Prismo. Did you get in with the bot swarm? Oh lord. Cool. So now we can do this, flip it, undo that. All good. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I can give you some advice. I just dive in. It's usually my advice. Invalidated affiliate program progress. Okay. Just cause chaos, I guess. No, I did not have. I do not have a course. Check out. Did you check out? I guess Brackeys is one of the newer ones. See if I can give you a link here. Brackeys, good.
Over tile, we go here.
Wait, how do I
clear?
Can I?
And now we can paint with no physics, or we can go back.
This is probably a pretty good like introduction to stuff. You want to do this? Maybe you can. Yeah, you watch that. Solid, cool, cool, cool. There's also like GD Quest, which might have some good stuff in there. Did you see that? I don't know if a course is necessary. Maybe you should. Learn the language C. I don't know if you should do that. I think you should just try focusing on, like, not saying you're wrong quite, but I would focus on getting just some knowledge around Godot script and GD script. Thank you, Balrog. You're too nice. But yeah, cool. I don't know what I was even working on. So you go here. I'm running Windows 11. Bimbos. Do this, shoot this, and then I think... Wait, did I... I jumped over it. Shoot that, and then I think this should be on the other side, right? That's what I wanted. this guy in wave 2. And this. Potentially both of them should be flipped. So kill this, shoot that, and then flip around, shoot this. Okay, but then... Sliding through that, go here, flip around, get that, and I think I want to get rid of this one. I don't necessarily need that one to be there. So either you kill that and you flip around, you kill that, and then take this. And we replace that thing on the 5th wave, the one that's here. This is wave 3. It is wave 5, one of the wave 5s. This one, get rid of this. Turn this into a pistol. Shoot that. Flip around. Shoot, shoot. Flip around. Pick this up. Shoot each of those. That probably feels pretty good once you get that going. But then you gotta flip around again somehow. It's a weird flow here. Autofora. Did I jump over the pickup? Wow. Just gotta tell the kids to turn it down a little bit. 1 second. Kid has a friend over and they're playing Hollow Knight at like 1,000,000 dB volume. I do like Hollow Knight though, so let's see here. Is Godot my first programming language? No, not at all. I started programming in like 1990 or something. Basic on the C64. How many levels? I don't know. How did I learn shaders? Slowly and with many mistakes. Basic on the MSX. Yeah, we're oldies, all of us. I think someone said didn't understand how the game works, or did I just yeah, I don't understand how the game works, says Prismo. What I'm doing is I'm making an FPS that's focused around speedrunning, So you want to be pretty quick about when you play. And I want to figure out, this is like the first level I do from scratch with this particular like system of like picking up weapons. You used to have a weapon that you just reloaded. And now it's a bit different because, yeah, now you don't have infinite ammo. You gotta like kill enemies with what you have. Something. I want to figure out like a path through the level that feels good to play. Something that feels like obvious and... Oh, damn it, I have auto flip on. So shoot these. So far, there's some like 180-degree things feels weird. So I want to push you into understanding the actual path that I intend for you to take. But that feels kind of strange when you do like click, 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 or rather click, click, click. And then I guess you start turning this way. Then those two feel weird. And with the flip mechanic, yeah, there's a shader on the entire screen, and of course everything is drawn using shaders, but nothing super fancy. So I want to figure out something that feels nice here. So do this and you swing your camera around, and then the enemies are here, which is like directly behind you, which might feel a bit weird. And the flip mechanic, yeah, there's a lot of bots that followed me. Then it's flip around, and then it's up the stairs here, I think. Boop, and then it is throw that. It would be cool if you wanted to do like 2 loops. Like go through this, shoot that, shoot that, speed up, do this, shoot those. Oh. And then somehow go where so those ones would go, you would go here then. And that's how you got the shotgun. Like pick this up, flip around, and then there's maybe shoot, and then this, slide through, and then flip, shoot, and go through here. Grenade those. Yeah, I did see the PVKK. I think a lot of people overestimate the difference in graphics because of the engine. Like, just really good modeling, good lighting, good texturing, good animation, good like art direction. That's what make things look good. Or even like insane in terms of graphics. Not which engine you're using. So I'm thinking of moving those to the other side here. So you can do that, and then you would want to take this route up. That should be the what feels reasonable to do. Okay, let's see if we can do that. You go away. The easy part would be to take all of those, which are the ones that we want, yes. Duplicate that and flip those nodes to the other side. Then we got this wave where we have those on the other side, which is apparently... Is it this wave? Would be nice with like a slider so we can select the correct wave here. So there's some weirdness going on with shading on those. Oh, no? Oh, I don't know. Like, this wave maybe has to go. I'm sorry, I can't hear the following sound. I did not notice. Is that still going on? Thank you for letting me know. Is it stopping now? When I... Seems like it. Okay. There was like a million of them. Like, literally thousands, I think. Or at least hundreds. So now there is no sound. That's good. It used to be the same regarding graphics with Unity, where people would say Unity can't do good graphics, only and there's the what is today? Today is a weird day. Like now someone is doing weird sounds outside of my window. Isn't getting bot swarmed enough. Shoot those. Flip around. And then I should be able to get this, but then this guy is there. So I shoot that, and then I don't have anything to kill the next things with. But still, there are... I didn't delete the correct wave, I guess. Try this. Polishing, yeah, no tips really. I'm pretty good at starting things and just nudging different values up and down to make things look good, but I don't have any like strategic. So I kill this, and then what I want to do is kill that before I grab that, and then flip around, grab that. But that feels like a advanced technique, like some sort of shortcut. So what would be reasonable to believe that I should be doing here? I kill those, and I feel like I should be flipping around. But then those are there. Then you see, when you're here, you see those. That's good. Because then you want to flip around. Grab all this. And then there's the next wave that starts with this. But I probably should have it here instead. So maybe flip the next wave. So this guy who's alone here. Hey. So flip the ability to the other side. I believe there is this. Can you flip to the other side as well? Wait, was that? Oh, that was correct. Flip that. And then I wonder about the way this bubble, because these are on the other side. And then you want the next bubble to be on the top side. And then I think we should have like more bubbles. But are you supposed to? How are you supposed to feel about the? The speedrunner's wet dream. Yeah, that's sort of the idea behind the game. So I wanna do that. So that was a weird angle. You kill that, and now the next one, you can't see it unless you go in there. So let's move that one out, and then have the grenade come in later, maybe. And I think also I want a little bit longer before you exit this one. Oh, how cool would it be? So I have these little arches there. How cool would it be if you started going like this? You shoot that, and then you shoot this. Wait, I get stuck. And then what you do, you signal that what we want to do is slide through that arch to get up and pick up the thing. I think I know how to position that, or at least I have an idea of how to, what? Stop. Hello? So we could pull this in, and then we'd grab one of these guys and just duplicate them over here. Yes, maybe we need something. It needs to be taller or something. We'll see about that. I want you to like go through this up on the other side, and that means we need to move this guy, the plate, and this thing over so it matches up with this. Yeah, this is just going to be like a little test. Thank you, Quorzel. So, well, that looks too strange. So kill that, kill this. And then what I want to do is like slide through here and get launched up there so I can get this. That's gonna feel great. Just need to figure out how it's gonna look. Okay. Probably should be a shorter little thing, right? So maybe this is I need snapping, please. It's not snapping. Sometimes it just forgets about snapping, which is weird. Will that work, you think? Yes. But it possibly needs to be a little bit higher. Maybe we can move it up. Maybe we do something stupid like this. Kind of. To sell that it's a thing. We'll say this toolkit that I put together to edit things feels really nice to work with. How about that? But that's still gonna look like quite blocky as you come down here. Yeah, this one is too chunky here. I don't know. I'm making it. It's not gonna look good either. So here, what I want to do is flip, shoot, shoot. Flip around, grab this, and then again we go and we flip, and then we want to flip around like this, shoot that thing, pick the grenades up, and then shoot that. So but then those should be on the other side, but maybe I want to do something else. Yeah, these don't look that good. I wonder if what we want to do is just have one of them. Maybe they're so chunky when they're close to the ground. I like that it kind of frames the AI. I don't really have to restart the game. Shoot that there. Maybe that should be like in here. So I see that's the path forward. And I get something like that. Like it looks terrible. That's the main issue I'm having right now. That feels good. Going through the little thing there. And then I think what we should do is lead you. We can't. That can't be it. What should we do? Even if I put it over here, I don't think it's gonna look that good, is it? It's a little much. But maybe I don't need this anymore. That could help. Getting rid of... I don't use that for anything, right? No. We could also like take everything over here and just move it a little bit further away. Is one of the things that I really like about this new workflow. One idea is to turn this into a pillar instead. And just imagine it being like a... Wait, what's going on? Turn off auto mirror. Stretch it like that. Then I think I need another version of this that's just the arc, which just doesn't have that thick. I don't think I have that, so we might want to open up the Blender file. There we go. What are you saying? Change start position so you look at the arc at the start. Maybe. So, wait, I do have this. Maybe I can use that, or do I want to take this, or do I want to take this? Make something out of it. This with like a box. That could work too. What is this one called? Bend? I guess I could... It's nice to have this though. Yeah, I'm gonna make one of these that's arc flat something. Oh, wait, this is okay. Slim. Just making up names. It's okay. I think I can get rid of a bunch of these and just redo the top. Feels a little bit like it's probably easier to Just remodel the whole thing from the... Yeah, let's do that. Let's actually keep only... Can I... Nope. Okay. Let's get these things. If we want to join these up while we're at it, like... What's going on here? I learned this new thing. You can press V. I thought. Auto merge. And then you press GG to slide it along and you can do this. And it should merge it into that. Now there's only one. Nope, that's not true. What the heck? Well. That's alright, I guess. I just like go in and the camera's driving me crazy here. Go focus, merge at center, merge at center. Okay, we're getting there. Cool. Now let's go get all of these edges. That went all the way around. Extrude that. Scale it, I think. Some kind of version of this. A little bit thicker, but not too much. That should work. And then we do modify these. It's easy to just start with flat down and then scale it. Yo, Spires, thank you for the raid. 5 minutes ago. Shit. I missed you. Sorry. Hello, Spires viewers. How you all doing? Should be Shift F. Turn this off for easier viewing. Can I not do this instead and be a bit faster? Yes. You're not using the F2 add-on? What is F2? Press an edge. Press F to build as a quad. Is that not what I'm doing right now? Sort of. Probably should be mirroring this as well. Mark the start edge and keep spamming F. This is gonna look like trash, is it? Crap. Ugh. I did all this just to figure out that I didn't want this. Where's the bevel? No, that's not what I want. That's what I want. Let's abandon this. Abandon ship. Abandon ship. I don't like it. Let's try this instead, see what we can do with it. Gonna have to have another actualizer. Duplicate the arc stretch and call it like bend stretch. Actualizer. Apply this to the thing. Boom. It will look the same because it has this. Open the scene, and we want to save this as another thing. You can actually just create another one, I guess. Create new scene, 3D scene. Oh, we need a name. Duplicate this one instead. Bend. Get rid of this. Pick this guy. Load the bend. There we go. But it's too big, I think. It's not gonna match the thing. Since this is the root, we're gonna have some issues. Let's turn this into a node instead. Then we add our... No. Mesh instance. Pick the bend. scale it down 0.5. But probably, we'll see. Let's start somewhere. I think this is gonna be okay. And then we just create a collider for this by using this collision shape, static body child, try mesh. Is that VFX attached to that thing? The what? Probably could be the other material, I guess. Okay, so imagine it needs to be offset by half to this side. Or a quarter. That looks like it's more here than here, so it's probably not going to work out. Let's just see what happens. See how it looks. This one. I think my bend actualizer didn't get the right thing on it yet. Here we go. First things first. We need to make it like sit like that. That's not going to be correct either, I believe. Yes, we also need to rotate it around like this. Center it somehow. Oh, can you please? There's some values that would be correct. It's getting closer. It would be useful to have a let's use a CSG box just as the container. This is the thing that we want to fill out. We're going to remove it. Yeah, let's keep that centered. Then we'll figure out what the value should be for this to work out. So this, then we scale it up like with some value. It's probably 0.1.5 or something. So with any luck, this. Yo, Adam! Welcome, Raiders. How y'all doing? We're having a bit of a weird day today. Just things are not going our way. But now that you're here, maybe we can rectify that. Thank you, Orkan. Let's see what we're doing here. So, we're working on an FPS thing. Oh, is that looking cool? Maybe. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, both these should have. Come on. Should be auto mirrored now. And then we'll grab another one, duplicate it, rotate it, put it in between here. Maybe we can get some cool looking thingamajig with these. Hope you had a good stream at Adam's place, peeps. all the problems, I guess. No, we were like spam followed before. That was one thing, and then I haven't quite figured out what I wanted to do, and just a bit of a slow stream, and then I had these weird issues. It turned out to be just a a checkbox somewhere that I needed to check. 15-20 errors. Oh, it's probably, I don't know. This is the game that I'm trying to build. Oh, that's too far now. The speedrunning FPS where the ocean is a portal to a mirror dimension. And yeah. Working on figuring out how to make good levels for it. Where did you see the 15-20 errors, by the way? Was there in here? Damn it. I need to make the thing taller potentially. Actually, let's keep the game running and we can change things. All right, so I think we moved that whole thing a little bit too far out, and this probably should like be a little bit offset so it's more obvious that you want to go that way. Let's toy around with the size of these platforms. Whoop. Maybe that looks better. Yeah, maybe I can have 2 of those arches then. Or something. But I do think if we were to select like all of this, bringing it back a bit closer, somewhere in here. And this guy could be closer too. Maybe it needs to be taller, I don't know. Maybe there should be 2 of them. One thing I had problems with before, for some reason, when I duplicate like multiple objects, it doesn't sync the change through the running game. So I guess we can just redo. So like slide through that, flip over, shoot that, and then go. It's a little bit far. I didn't move that guy. I think I moved this thing. Yeah. Somewhere around there. So you run, slide through that guy, shoot this, shoot this. I say guy, but it's more like an orb. Is that whole thing too high up now? Slide, flip, and then this. It feels like there should be a smoother way of doing that. Pick this up, jump, flip, and then wait. Should be slide, jumping. You get too high up. Yeah, this is a little bit tough to design around these. Like, it's not that I know how to design levels at all. Yeah, you get stuck there. Yeah, you can't get up there anymore. What do we do with that? Do we want like... Nope, definitely not. Hello? Hello? Strange. I think one is enough. One arch to tell you that this is the way to go. Let's put it somewhere in the middle. And then you should be seeing something through it. I don't know, also maybe it should be taller. What am I even selecting here? Move it up a bit. Less hitting face on things. Try it again. Then you do. But I missed something. No. Bad flow. I think I want to move this guy over to be there. Yes. Let's do that. For that I actually have to get out of here. Is this the one in wave 4? Yes. Movie. Try that. Yeah, so what were you all doing on Adam's stream today? Did you have a good time? This is pretty good. It's not super obvious that you should do that exact movement. If you were playing it, coming here, you shoot that probably, and then you see this spawning in on the other side. Yeah, maybe it's somewhat intuitive, but sliding here, getting this gun. You can actually probably slide jump the other thing. Like slide jump. I think I got it. Yeah. Yeah, so how do we tell you... You kind of see that over there and get... I want to get that, but if you do, you're screwed, because now you don't have the grenade for the last few enemies. And then you see those, and then you want to, like, maybe jump backwards. Then you want to get the grenade, I think. Slide through that and shoot those and miss. This. Oh, it's. I keep forgetting. Seeing the old strat. See, those spawn in on the other side. And then it is unclear that you should do this. And maybe you shouldn't. So maybe the last... So you will be on the other side. Walk this through. Kill those. You see that? That's what's going on. You jump backwards, do another backflip. Here. Maybe you will swing your camera over and you'll see like, here is like 1, 2, and then the last one is in there. So you figure that what you want to do is this. Kill those. Slide through, and then... Yeah, let's try that. So the last wave has... No, the next to last wave, this guy, exists. That should be the last bubble, I think, in there. I'll take you up the stairs. Yes. And then maybe one at the bottom of the stairs. Something that you can see clearly. Just make sure the order of these are reversed. So they're spawning in the intended kill order or something like that. Ah, damn it. Kill, 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 kill. And then that's where you don't know where the next enemy is. Unless you're like swinging around. Then you're supposed to think, ah, okay, did you see that? There's a hole here. Fix that hole. Oh, you can clearly see it. That should be better. Go, slide, flip, and then somewhere those are. Too bad. And then I think here is where you get a little bit confused about like where are things spawning, especially if you don't grab that one first. If you just do the opposite, but if you do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you kind of keep swinging and you see this. You slide probably through these. Then I get the grenade, and then I throw that on those. But those should be on the other side, so let's flip those around. Last ones, flip them. That flip button there, that's so good. That helps me a lot. Made it in the earlier part of the stream here. Flip backwards. And then when you do that, you're already looking at this. You're tempted to go that way. There's some amount of this that's just going to be like a little bit unintuitive. But that works. No. I do look in the wrong direction all the time. Damn it. Died. The weird part is like a lot of these levels, once you start optimizing them, they start feeling really good. Like optimizing in terms of like how you play them. Okay, so then the question becomes like, what's the pro strat with this level? I think it should be something like, you want to flip, kill that thing, and then maybe kill that thing, take this up, and then I'm screwed again. Because the way I see it is, I want there to always be like one like intuitive version of the route, where I probably go like, yeah, that's probably the pro route. I think I can do that. Dup, dup, dup. You flip around, you go dup, 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 and then you want a really big jump. Flip, shoot that, and what is behind it. You gotta get that, both of those. I missed the last one. Jump. Shoot that. So you get the grenade. Doesn't feel super intuitive. This is not probably going to be the first level or anything, but still. It'd be nice if it was a little bit more intuitive. Then shoot that, flip around. Oh, that's maybe how you do it. Maybe. Damn it. It's a little bit high up. Find myself missing this part a lot of the time. So maybe what we should do is, let's actually do this. Let's go borrow a stair. Put that in here. And then we turn the stair into a BSP actualizer. I don't know why it doesn't show up there. Boom. Make sure this one stretches to the ground. A little bit longer. Put all of this. Come on. Near the bottom of the stairs instead. Something like this maybe. But this one needs obviously to be all the way to the top, and here I could think of maybe using so these are sort of arrows showing you where you should go. Maybe they shouldn't be mirrored in the same way. Who knows? Let's try it. To go like, kill that, shoot, oh, miss. See, now it's much easier to land there. That feels good. And flip, grab this, grab that. Yeah. And then the intended way would be this. Up the stairs. Flip and... I think that's disorienting which way you should turn there. Maybe there can be some indicator. Intended. Turn left. That's the sucky part about the shotgun. The range sometimes fools you. Player TC. Shotgun has cone angle. Let's reduce that slightly. Could be a bit annoying and change it. Here too. Boom. Reload. Oh, my cat is outside of my door. A bit angry. He wants to get in here. Did I not start up the game? Try again. Here is a... Do I like or not like that? But that thing is blocking the first one, so you gotta go around a little bit. One second. Okay, cat is happier now. Miss. Yeah, something like I do like that there's some kind of background element here, but if you shoot there, you're not seeing where the pellets go if you're missing. I think also this, like the max range, maybe it could be more. I also feel like maybe I can do another grenade somewhere that allows me to add another. So you want to use the grenade to kill those guys over there on the flip side. Kill those, and then you're gonna go through and get another grenade here somewhere. Don't know where to put that though. Get out here. Grab the grenade. Jump down. Jump down. Flip around. Clip that. It could be. It would be cool if there was another cluster, but it's not in the same place. Maybe it's over here. Maybe it's up here, or something. Duplicate that. Take all of these, flip them over to this side, and then we'll just like try to rotate them and get them in here. That's another little cluster. Oh wait, did I rotate them? No. Okay. I want to extend the level time with a few seconds here. That could look cool. But where do we get the last grenade? I don't have it so that you can spawn new pickups in waves yet. Maybe I want that. I can try putting it here. Rid of that. Sorry, one more thing. I want to pick this and this. The question is, do we want this on this side or the other side? Try it. Let's try it. Flip around, kill that, go through, kill, 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 kill. And you don't want to pick that up. Then you want to flip around, kill, 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 kill. And then you want to go slam, slam, slam. Have a grenade, flip around, kill that, go back. And then do this. One thing I'm thinking is, like, if I could give you like a little indication that you're intended to go through the to the other side somehow. Like if I borrowed, it's gonna be a bit hard to. If I borrow these as sort of an indication somehow that I want you to flip through this, and what I'm probably gonna do is go this way with this. Trying to like hint at what you should do with the level geometry. It's starting to get a little bit much too, so got to be somewhat careful. But if you jump through that, you're not going to have line of sight on all of the things. So maybe it should be on the other side. A little bit crowded here. Now you can see this thing, but it's not very obvious. Here it's the same. Maybe it's a bad idea actually. Would it also make more sense to have this pick up on like this pillar, so you can pick this up, flip these around so they're on this side, throw the grenade, those explode, you go pick this up, flip around. No, wait. Slam, slam, slide. Guess you can still flip it. And go here, get this, throw that there, then jump in everywhere, anywhere. Oh. Yeah, maybe it's better to have it here. That thing. Maybe it can be just like the... Wait, did I delete some bad thing now? Yes, I did. Maybe not that thing. That thing I want to get rid of. Come on. Reselect the things that I want. Because now there's something inside of here, I think. Ah, I got it. Okay. That's not going to be where you want to... That's going to be too tight. And you're going to get stuck there. I'm thinking, let's skip it. Skibbly skip it. Hey, the chaos spam thing. If I ban this character, ban. Oh, I landed on something. Okay. All right. All right. If it was a little bit taller, like you go here, you shoot that, you flip around, and then you have to jump in the air to hit that. Would be a little bit cool if that wasn't the case, because you're often also like overshooting when you do that. If this was always enough to land you. I didn't jump there, I think. You can almost do it. Hey! Bring it forward a little bit, even more. Let's try this. I still do it unintentionally. Flip, almost. It's so close to actually being able to just land there. Keep that a little bit higher up. Yeah, sure. Sure. Also, let's move all these perfectly aligned with the gate. Try it. Try it. So close. You just do it. It's still too high up. I don't need to exit there. I don't know why they keep doing it. Wait, this guy is scaled. That feels better. Works. It works. Go through, flip, shoot, shoot, flip. Pick this up, pick, 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 pick. Pick, 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 pick. Pick, pick, pick if we want to. Get the grenade, shoot that grenade. Flip into it, throw, dive. Is that like a decent silver 20, and then I want to have a 15 or so to be the pro version. No. Where we do something like shoot that. Jesus. And then, yeah, this is the awkward part where I think maybe skipping that one, because you're always looking at those. Yeah, let's get rid of that thing. Your mind rage! Which frickin'... Oh, Lord. Which is it? Is it the wave where... So here's the ones that are there. And then if I... This would be the one, I think. This guy. Get rid of it. Try. A lot more oceany, yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Diablo. If you do exclamation point wishlist, you can surely get a wishlist link. Like that, yes. Straight up Atlantis. Maybe I should read up on Atlantis. I don't know much about it. Could be some interesting... I missed. I like working in Godot and 3D. I gotta close the door. Straight out of Compton. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Miss. Boom, boom, boom. Kill, kill, kill. Again and again. Nope. Oh. I wonder if there is another way of doing this, where you do this. Kill that. Get this. Get that guy. Get that guy. Flip around. And then you already have the pistol here. And you're like probably over here. You can do... You get the last one through. Huh. So slide. Pick up the... Slide. Pick up this. Get this thing. Flip. Kill. Kill. And then you want to flip again. That might be faster. So it's like... Shh, 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 shh. Yeah, as soon as you add that frickin' pistol, you open it up for these kinds of exploits, because... Oh, they're not that visible through here. That. Dig it. I think just that this has maybe a little bit too much ammo. I think maybe there's something to be said for making an actual pistol that just has like a few shots. So the shotgun has 6 shots now, I think. Maybe it should have like 5 shots instead. And there's a... Or this doesn't do as much damage, maybe half the damage, so you gotta shoot multiple times on these when you pick that up. Potentially, yeah. We can do this too. It's another like little twist to the formula. Which side are those on? The second. The second. You get these first, and then you have a few shots left. And if I turn these into shooters instead, you got a 2. Yeah, it's the ones on the pillars on the underside. It would be cool if I could Doesn't matter. Let's do it. Seeker. it's going to be here. But I'm gonna flip it around. It's just easier to place them on this side. Oh, swap those out for slashers? Yes. Which wave is that? Wave Mark 2. Let's try this. We don't have ammo enough, so it's probably like gotta pick something up. Oh. Now I got 3 left. Or 5 maybe. Got it. If I could like... Whoa. Hej gubbar. Okej.
Streamar du?
Japp.
Spelar du?
Ja.
Hello stream. Vad jobbar du som?
Dataspelsutvecklare.
Ja, varför spelar du spelen då?
Jag tror inte att man behöver göra det om man ska kunna veta om de är bra eller dåliga.
Eller så man vet att det är ganska bra.
Ja. Veta vad som funkar och vad som inte funkar.
Och ifall det inte funkar så...
Man ändrar.
Har du gjort det här spelet?
Ja, det här är mitt spel.
Vad är det du håller i?
Vilket vapen?
Vilket sorts vapen?
Det är ju, just nu är det någon slags maskingevär liknande grej. Men de är som kristaller typ.
Ja.
Så är det.
Jag skjuter du ner.
Det är en bra fråga. Det tycker jag ni kan göra.
Vad sa du? Har du gjort klart det här spelet? Nej.
Nej.
Men
Han har
varför
lite bossar kvar.
och bygger den på det?
Ja, han bygger.
Finns det boxar i spelet?
Inte än.
Men,
Det finns inga än.
Jag vet inte om det kommer finnas några bossar, så vi får se.
Hon vispade.
Det är det som är lite speciellt med spel. Man vet inte riktigt när man är färdig.
men vad var det där för människa som var där?
Ja, det är några man måste klara av.
Jag har gjort klart spelet.
Kan vi köra
Nej, det är nog en liten bit kvar innan det är färdigt.
Är det svårt att göra spel?
Ja, det tycker jag.
Är det jättesvårt?
Alltså, det beror lite på vad man jämför med.
Jag skulle jämföra på att göra ett och bygga något.
Bygga något.
Eller,
som den där banan. Hur lång tid tog det?
Jag har jobbat med den i några dagar nu.
om några dagar?
Ja. Ska ni säga hej till streamen och sen så
Hello stream.
kan ni gå och checka? Så kommer jag
Hello
också.
screen.
Something like that, yeah. So it is food. And I'm feeling a bit like I don't have the highest amount of energy anyway. So maybe I should just take a little break. We'll see. Maybe I can be back tomorrow or something. And I'll work on this offline. I like the opening. It is getting there, yeah. It's a pretty decent stream. It's also like half an hour longer than that because I had to restart. Anyway, I think that's it for today, peeps. Please go wishlist the game. We're gonna try to find someone to raid. There's a raid. Was it Raid Finder or something account? Nope. Yeah, thank you, Diablo. See what this is. Twitch.tv. Let's do this. Twitch.tv. And then usually there's like a little raid browser here. I got like cakes. Gonna have like Rockadoodle is in there. Yeah, maybe it's a cakes day. Let's do cakes today. So yeah, be nice to cakes.
So far.
We will see each other again maybe tomorrow or something. I think that's reasonable to assume. Right? So, be nice. Hugs and kisses, peeps. Bye.
They're kind of amazing to others in comparison. Holy shit. Kebab Skull. Thank you so much. We're getting raided left and right today. Good morning, guys. Hello. We just downloaded. Maybe you guys are interested in that too. You're making a game, right? Take a look at this. Go to this website right here. I'm gonna link it. You can get a humble bundle of very high quality sounds for just €1. €1. You could get 6 items. Good morning, guys. You guys on YouTube, Inukai. There you go. You are my hero cakes. Not many people have the balls to go to their job and do absolutely nothing for the first 1.5